More information is better than less, and fast information is better than slow. That's why you can buy CPU coolers, PC cases, even PSUs that feature digital displays to relay crucial performance information at a glance. Well, now V-COLOR has introduced a new digital display component that every overclocker and PC enthusiast should own. Introducing the new V-COLOR OLED XFinity Plus DDR5 RAM kit, the first and only PC RAM featuring a crystal clear OLED display that shows you live data including temperature, frequency, and voltage. Now you can easily check your system status while gaming or, more importantly, overclocking. So today, we're going to be building a PC specifically to show off this incredible new RAM and how it can improve your gaming and overclocking experience. Let's get to it. Yeah. The hell? Let's go! All right, now that we have our rig, we are gonna get into the BIOS and we're gonna see how the V-COLOR OLED XFinity Plus responds when we start overclocking. Optimized for both AMD and Intel platforms, the V-COLOR OLED XFinity Plus currently supports speeds of up to 8,000 megatransfers per second, making it ideal for bandwidth-intensive workloads, elite gaming setups, and performance-focused builds. And with multi-zone ARGB, this RAM blends in seamlessly with just about any PC aesthetic. When overclocking, the OLED display instantly updates to show the new BIOS values so you can be confident that the overclocking was successful. Should the overclock fail, it automatically reverts to the JEDEC default speed, giving you immediate visual confirmation. The V-COLOR OLED XFinity Plus bridges the gap between performance and interactivity to make system tuning more intuitive than it's ever been. If you want to learn more or grab your own V-COLOR OLED XFinity Plus, click the link in the description. Join our gamer community to get in on the discussion. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow for more tech reviews. Thank you for watching. I'm Ben Tibbles, and this is Newegg.